This is the easiest way to legally steal money from other people. Follow what I do in this video to copy my process. Step number 1, open your Instagram app and search for some viral reel videos. Step number 2, once you find viral video, copy the link of the video and go to Google and type Instagram Reel Downloader. Paste the link and download the video. Step number 3, repost those videos on your Instagram account to build up your audience. Step number 4, now to start making money, we will sell a PLR product or basically an ebook using website called plr.me. Last step is to build a simple web store using tool called Gumroad, and then promote this web store on your Instagram page. This side hustle takes less than an hour a day and can make you thousands of dollars, like it does for me. And today, I am looking to help 6 busy and motivated 9-to-5ers to start this side hustle and start making $3,000 to $5,000 a month as a passive income. If that is you, comment the word "me" and I will reach out to you.